Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a haul for the kitchen. So, I was sent this huge box that is extremely heavy for testing and reviewing purposes, and I am so excited to share this with you. I am so beside myself. I cannot believe that I was actually sent this. So thank you everyone who interacts with my content. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button because I do videos like this pretty frequently. And yeah, I'm not gonna ramble any further. Let's get into this box. I'm so excited. Can you see in there? Can you see what that is? Probably not. Okay. This is a cookware set. This is like the whole set of matching cookware. And I think you say that CAROTE. I am not completely sure. But let's go ahead and dive in. It has this wood grain. Nice. Another lid. This is so cute. Okay, so this is for eggs. I think that that's going to be so great. Also, look at this blue color. This also comes in a mint green and the wood grain handles. I like how they have everything packaged and they have these little felt fabric pieces along with the cardboard to keep everything protected. They did such a good job packaging this stuff. Another lid, a small lid for the saucepan. Okay, so this is for steaming vegetables. I have never had one of these. I am so excited for this. Another lid. Okay, now we're getting to the good stuff. Here is a pot. So cute. And a bigger pot. Oh, I'm so excited. The lid that goes on like this. These are so cute. Here's a little saucepan. Oh, and it has a pouring spout. Oh, I don't have anything like this either. Oh, that is fantastic. It has a lid that goes on it too. There's another saucepan that is slightly bigger than the other one. And the lid for it. A frying pan that is actually really deep. This is gonna be great for rice. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Now I keep saying I'm so excited, but I am so darn excited. And another frying pan that is slightly more shallow than the other one, and a smaller frying pan. When I say this is a full set, y'all, I was not kidding. This is a completely full set. And then we also have utensils. So we have a ladle, a spatula, and a pair of tongs. Also, the tongs have a lock so that you can lock them in place. Okay, so here are all the pieces set out. I am working with a small space, so I've kind of got things staggered. Okay, so up here we have the two saucepans, and this has the steam pot in it. We have all the lids. Down here, we've got the pots, the bigger size and the medium size. And then down here, we have smaller skillets. You can mix and match the lids for. So that is awesome. I am so excited to use this right here. Oh my gosh. And I actually needed a new pair of tongs. Mine bit the dust the other day. So perfect timing. This is such a great set. Also, it does come in a mint green, but I just love this robin's egg blue so much. It will be linked below, so be sure to check out the link if you want more information on this set. And without further rambling, let's get to cooking. Good morning. Okay, so it is the next day. I had to wash everything, but it is the morning time. I just dropped my girls off at school, so I'm gonna get me and Steven some eggs ready in this cool little egg pan. Also, sorry about the lighting, and yes, I am squatting right now. It's kind of dark in here at the moment. We've got some storms fixing to roll in. So just look past that and let's get to cooking. Also, I usually cook my eggs in bacon grease. I don't have bacon, but I do have some grease. So I am gonna put a little dab in each of the little doodads. Actually, I'm only doing 2. Salt, black pepper. I got it. Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. That's gonna take some practice. I think this spatula is just a little too big. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, here they are flipped over. Personally, I like over easy and not sunny side up. Boop. Here we have it. Eggs cooked perfectly. Hey y'all, what's up? It is lunchtime and I'm just to make my man something to eat. So I have my small skillet here. I'm probably not gonna need the lid, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. But we're gonna make basically a hot ham and cheese sandwich. It's quick, easy, and delicious, and I know he'll love it. Life hack, put the butter in the pan instead of on the bread.
Oh no! I had that samurai.
Here we go, hot ham and cheese sandwich, grilled cheese sandwich. Again, the skillet worked perfectly, nothing stuck to it, which it does have the nonstick coating. Again, I used the spatula that came with the kit. It worked amazing. And yeah, here is lunch with the new kitchenware set. Okay, we are almost to dinner time, not quite. I've just got one of my daughters from school and I figured I would go ahead and get some tea onto boil. This is how we make our sweet tea. I will put this in the pot, add the water, bring it to a boil and mix it in with the sugar and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I will be using the smaller of the 2 saucepans that come in the set to make my tea. There we have it. Hey y'all, what's up? I'm back. It is about 6:30 and I'm fixing to get some dinner started. I am trying to be able to use all of the pans and pots from the cookware set. So tonight on the menu, now this is not a cooking video, but I'm gonna share with you what I'm cooking and kind of show you using the pots and pans. So I get these spinach raviolis from Sam's, and if you watch my food hauls, then you probably already know that, but I'm going to do some of these. And I have some chicken that needs to be cooked. It's been in the refrigerator. I used a couple of pieces from the pack, and so I need to finish cooking the rest. So we're gonna do 3 proteins in this particular meal. So we've got chicken, I've got some sockeye salmon, and some shrimp. And then for the vegetable sides, I have 2 white potatoes, 1 sweet potato, and I have a partial zucchini that really needs to be used up. And this is like all the vegetables that I have. So I'm just gonna like chop them up and pan sear them in some onion and garlic, and it's gonna be delicious. But yeah, let me stop rambling and get to cooking.